going to be your bestie because it's gonna do and take care of all of that troubleshooting for you. So each time you're gonna use just a little bit, little go a long way. It's funny that yesterday me and Mika would use it to treat our table lamp.
We used to call that the Titanic treasure.
Titanic treasure. Oh, you are right. It's that is actually, you are right. It's cool though. Good imaginate. I think I like that. Titanic treasure. Remind me of that what's her name? Rose necklace in this color. Beautiful. So I'm gonna seal right in a lot of frames around because this is really cute centerpiece right there. And it snuck right in the nail place. And just seals it on the top of the frames, the beads, but I'm not doing on the top of the crystal because I do not want to destroy the sparkle and the shines of it. Hey Dom, how are you? All right, so what we're gonna do is key it for 60 seconds, and this now we don't need to key it unless you are doing something crystal placement on it. I should put some of the this one is cool, like strawberry, and also this one the same. I'm gonna fill this, all of this in, seals it on. And I'm gonna check around the key, the crystal right here, and then again this frame. A lot of them, all of them are was encapsulated, so you don't have to worry about. But on the top, you want to make sure you seal it so then it won't not get tarnished. Because the clients or you washing your hands a lot every day and hand sanitize, so you want to make sure you protect your beautiful nails, jewelries, and crystal placement, charms, and without getting tarnished. So I'm gonna seal in on the edges to make sure the flowers stay nice and snug in the nails, and you are ready to key it for 60 seconds. Look, this is kawaii, so beautiful. Just remind me of that. Oh my gosh, I want ice cream. I want candy, the donuts. Okay, let's go and get donuts. Where am I? Right here. And it's in the Kawaii's nail art collection. It's so cute and stunning. I'm in love with them. But here's the first nails. The first nails, second nails, and a third nails. So now, if you don't want any crystal placements at all, absolutely fine. You can have this nails. It's gonna look like that. First nails, second nails, and then third nails. I haven't shaped on this one, but it looks so cool. Let me show you the final look of these 3 beautiful nails.